Okay, I'm back. Instagram cut me off, so I'm just showing you guys all the different variations for March. So here is the cheetah variation. So you can get the chocolate brown liner or the golden liner, and it's so cute. And then here is the peacock variation. And this one comes with a blue liner and a gold lipstick, and then the lashes, and then the blue and gold shadow. And then here's the zebra variation, and it either comes with the black liner here, or the silvery, kind of grayish liner. And yeah, here we go, guys. I'm just gonna pan across all three variations because Instagram cut me off. And this one won't have music, so I won't get flagged. And there is our glam for March.